Hey everyone! Today we're going to dive into the world of homemade tortillas using our very own Uno Casa cast iron tortilla press. I'm going to show you step by step how to make perfect tortillas every time. And we'll explore other uses for this versatile kitchen tool, so let's jump right in. Now you may be asking yourself, should I roll or press tortillas? Well, let me tell you, using a tortilla press gives you evenly pressed tortillas with a perfect round shape. It's faster, easier, and less messy than a rolling pin. Trust me, you won't want to go back. All right, let's get started. Here's how to use a tortilla press. Make 2 pieces of either wax or parchment paper or a Ziploc bag. You're going to open your tortilla press and you're going to place 1 piece of parchment paper or Ziploc right on the bottom. You're going to take a small amount of dough. I'm using the 12-inch press, so I'm using a little bit bigger of a piece of dough. And you're going to place the second piece of parchment paper right on top. You're going to close the press and you're going to apply pressure using the handle. There are so many types of tortilla presses, and you might be wondering, is a cast iron or aluminum tortilla press better? Cast iron, like these Uno Casa tortilla presses, are the top choice because it's heavy duty, durable, and provides consistent pressure. Aluminum presses are lighter but may not be as sturdy. Also, there are wooden presses, which, while traditional, can be bulky and less durable. One question that's asked a lot, should I buy an 8-inch, 10-inch, or 12-inch tortilla press? Uno Casa offers tortilla presses in 3 sizes, the 8, the 10, and the 12. The 8-inch is great for standard tortillas, while the 10 and 12-inch are a perfect fit for larger flatbreads and wraps. Choose the one that suits your needs best. You can use your tortilla press for so many other doughs and even meats, burgers and sausages. With different doughs, the sky is the limit. Not only can you use the tortilla press for flour, but the Uno Casa tortilla press also works wonders with pizza dough, pita bread, and even naan. Just adjust the dough size and the pressure accordingly for each type of dough. Also remember to choose the right size tortilla press. Knowing how to clean and maintain your tortilla press is very straightforward. After each use, simply wipe it down with a damp cloth to remove any residue. But to maintain the cast iron surface, occasionally apply a thin layer of vegetable oil to prevent rust. Is it worth getting the Uno Casa tortilla press? Definitely. The Uno Casa cast iron tortilla press is an essential tool for anyone who loves making fresh tortillas and flatbreads at home. It's user-friendly, it's efficient, and it's built to last. You're literally going to wonder how you ever live without it. Compared to other tortilla presses on the market, the Uno Casa tortilla press is more sturdy than the aluminum tortilla presses. It comes in 3 different sizes, and while it is slightly more expensive than others, you are getting a product that is built to last. Also, it comes with parchment paper sheets, so you can get started quickly. So there you have it, folks. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of the Uno Casa cast iron tortilla press and how to make the most of it in your kitchen. It's an amazing tool that's not just for pressing tortillas. It's perfect for all sorts of flatbreads and doughs. I highly recommend it to anyone looking to level up their homemade tortilla game. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the Uno Casa channel for more great tricks, product information, and more. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below, and they will be sure to get back to you. Are you ready to start pressing tortillas like a pro? Click the link in the description to get your very own Uno Casa tortilla press and start making your own tortillas.